Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wanderlust. So this is another new day, another new adventure for us. So paano tayo nakarating sa lugar na ito? Guys, just keep on watching. Sa video na to, I have given highlights kung paano tayo nakarating, kung paano tayo nakapunta sa lugar na to. Just like a piece of heaven. Super ganda. Well, this is it. Take the West Rail Line to Shoihong Station. And then, punta tayo ng Platform 6. Transfer tayo ng light train. Hanapin natin yung 615P car to Chingwon. Ayan guys. Just follow the direction para hindi tayo maligaw-ligaw. At diretso tayo sa ating pupuntahan. Ayan, let's go! So we're here at Chingwon Station. So kailangan lang nating mag-cross to the other side of the street. And then meron kayong makikitang bike lane. Just keep on going. Just keep on walking. Sundan lang natin hanggang sa makarating tayo sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Guys, actually pupunta tayo ngayon sa Castle Peak. This is one of the highest, one of the sharpest peak in Hong Kong. Ayun, so yung pupuntahan natin yun sa dulo ng aking tinuro. Di ba ang layo pa? So just pay attention sa mga signs, sa mga arrows na tinuturo natin para hindi tayo maligaw-ligaw. Ayun. So, pag makita nyo yan guys, just cross the street. At diretsuhin lang natin. Actually, if ayaw nyo maglakad, pwede kayong mag-taxi, magpahatid kayo in the middle. Pwede nga makapasok ang taxi doon kung gusto nyong i-save yung inyong energy going up there. So, ayan, maraming mga hikers nakasabay. Hindi kayo maliligaw. So, sa bawat markers guys, meron naman ako mga inilagay na naka-highlights para hindi kayo maligaw. Ayan. So, may crossing this way. Sundan lang yung nagja-jogging. So, may ganon. Ayan, just follow the steps na may yellow rails. So, paakyat tayo ng paakyat. Actually guys, this is the tallest and sharpest peak in Hong Kong. So, it has an altitude of 583 meters above sea level. So, nasa Chunmon ito. Kaya nga West Rail tayo kanina, and then bumaba tayo ng Shoihong. And then, siguro yung hike natin, it will take around 5 hours. Balikan na siya, depende kung saan kayo umakyat o kung saan kayo nag-enter. So, ayan guys, grabe yan. Grabe as in. So after ng stairs na yellow rails, ayan na naman yung green. Just follow, hindi ka maliligaw kasi isang way lang naman. Ayun. So paakyat tayo ng paakyat ng bundok. Ang tarik. Sabi nga nila kahit na gaano katarik yung hagdan, don't focus on the whole stairway. Sabi nga, just focus one step at a time. Tsaka matarik siya, so dahan-dahan din tayo kasi pag nadulas ka or nadapa ka, syempre gulong. Tsaka extra ingat din tayo sa ating bawat tinatapakan, for sure. Ingat-ingat din. So, sa bawat pagod na yan guys, I believe na great reward naman ang nag-aantay sa amin. So, worth it pa rin. Sa bawat pag-akyat ng bundok, it comes always great reward. And the best view comes after the hardest climb, sabi nga. So just keep on going kahit mabagal, basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Just enjoy the journey, bawat steps, bawat nadadaanan. Just enjoy the view. Actually guys, this video, kinat ko siya into 2 portion. It's because na masyadong mahaba. So the first part ay kung paano tayo nakarating. And the second part, abangan guys. Marami pa tayong maipapakita sa inyo. So this is the pavilion. This is where we wanna go. So thank you so much guys. That is yan yung Castle Peak. So we're here. So I will cut it here. See you again on the part 2 para sa kabuuan. O diba, bongga? Amazing! Stunning! So yan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan sa pagsama sa akin. See you on the part 2. I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo. And God bless everyone. As what I'm always saying na whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy. Thank you and God bless you all.